Well, hello, Nick here. Hope you're all doing well, and happy Mother's Day. YouTube says I have a range of people between the ages of 18 and 65 watching my videos. I was gonna say 69, which is quite the age range, so I'm going to assume there's a mom watching this. Anyway, I want to keep this video short and sweet, pun intended, and share a recipe that I personally use when I have a sugar craving. Before I go any further, take a look at this tiramisu. It's delicious. It's also 340 calories. Now, I have sugar cravings all the time, but they are especially bad when I'm in the process of losing weight because all I can think about is eating sweets and just food in general, which I think is how a lot of us are when we're dieting. Now, there's nothing wrong with wanting sweets, but sweet foods tend to be high in calories and devoid of any real nutrients. I mean, that tiramisu was high in fats and carbs and has no real protein. And it's not particularly filling either. And that's a problem if you're trying to lose weight while retaining muscle or just losing weight in general. You want to feel full and satiated. The great thing about the snack I'm making, in my opinion, is that it's relatively low in calories but is high in protein and high in carbs, making it a good pre or post-workout meal. For context, anything above 25 grams of protein within 3 to say 400 calories to me is considered high in protein, ignoring protein shakes because one cannot live on protein shakes alone. So let's take a quick look at this. So the ingredients will be 1/4 of a serving of Kodiak cake, 1 serving of fat-free Greek yogurt, 1 cup of frozen blueberries. I really suggest using frozen because that will balance the temperature of the hot oatmeal. The blueberries will cool off the oatmeal while the heat from the oatmeal will give the blueberries a nice soft consistency and really bring out that flavor, which is precisely what we're trying to satisfy. And then 1 serving of oatmeal. So you're just going to prepare all these ingredients as they are. Add some water to the oatmeal and heat it in the microwave for about 1 minute and 40 seconds. Next, you want to make a batter for the waffles. I tend to over batter mine, which isn't always a good habit. Then I place it in the waffle maker at a setting of 3, which don't ask me how that converts to another waffle maker because it didn't come with a conversion sheet. Though for context, this setting gives a slightly crisp waffle on the outside. So in the end, I guess really just boils down to preference. With the waffles done, you're just gonna mix 1 cup of blueberries with the oatmeal. As I said, the heat from the oatmeal will instantly heat up the blueberries and the blueberries will cool down the oatmeal. It's gonna give a very rich, nice flavor. Next, dump the yogurt in and mix it well. Aside from the phenomenal protein that comes with the yogurt will give a very nice thick consistency, which makes it easy to spread on top of the waffle. And there you go. All right, let's go ahead and give this a taste.
Wow, that is delicious. Finally, some food.
Okay, yeah, exactly my thoughts. So all of these ingredients together give you 375 calories with 30 grams of protein, 61 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fat, and 8 grams of fiber, which honestly, that's a huge bonus in itself. And compare the volume of food you're getting between the two. I don't know about you, but this meal is just so much more filling. I mean, look at that. This is how you actually feel full and satiated. Anyway, I hope you found this video helpful, or at the very least enjoyable, but more than that, I hope this recipe has given you an opportunity to satisfy that sweet tooth. Even if you don't like this particular recipe, hopefully it's inspired you to get creative with your diet and recognize that you don't have to eat miserably. Anyway, subs, likes, comments, and shares very much appreciated. If that's too much of a commitment right now, feel free to look through the rest of my videos, but I'm going to enjoy a nice little snack. I'll let you guys take a guess as to what that is, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh, I also don't have a name for this snack, so leave a suggestion below. I was thinking really good wonderful waffles, but I'm also lame, so I think anyone can do better than that. Anyway, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Take care.